Hello everyone, welcome to Million Designs, your one-stop destination for pure Kanjivaram silks. This is Rajni and I am back today with more collection in silver zaris. This is continuation to the collection which we posted yesterday. Due to huge response, I bought more collection today in pure silver zari. Starting with this dark ink blue with silver zari weaving. Priced 5200 and we have few more color combinations available in this simple Kanjivaram with a small silver zari border and booties on the body. Each of these priced 5200. The sky blue, and we also have light chiku color too in this 5200 range Kanjivarams. This is the starting price with a simple lightweight Kanchipattu sarees in silver zari pattern. And next comes a borderless beautiful contrast combination in dark purple and light lavender pallu and blouse piece. Very rare and elegant combination. It has got silver zari paisleys buttas on the body. Priced at 9900. Next comes very unique metallic shade with checks pattern, copper and silver zari combination. Big border in silver zari and contrast pallu and blouse piece comes in sky blue. Priced 15,500. We also have another elegant color in the same design pattern. Beautiful pastel shades. Here you go with the light grey and sky blue combination. That's the blouse piece and pallu in sky blue. Priced 15,500. Next comes another borderless saree, tissue Kanjivaram with a nice metallic shade, twisted silver zari buttas on the body and big paisleys comes towards the border parts. Priced 9900. This is the blouse piece that comes in plain. Next is silver zari in checks pattern, traditional Kanchipattu sarees pattern with a small silver zari border on either sides and lovely contrast combination of forest green and violet. Here is the open picture. This saree is priced 11,500. We have lovely more color combinations in the same design pattern, starting with this forest green and black, light cream color, light pink and violet. This is completely pink, candy pink. Here is orangish pink with violet. Here comes golden yellow, and we also have little pastel shade of yellow. Beautiful color combinations in the same design pattern. Next comes another pastel shade, light orange peach, with the lovely silk thread woven paisleys on the body, as you can see in this open picture. Priced 10,500. Lovely unique combinations, all the sarees with silver zari weaving patterns in this whole video. Next is this lovely grey, dark grey with silver combinations, really beautiful. This saree is priced 11,500. Next comes a Rexona green, very fresh and beautiful color with tilagam silver zari booties on the body. Priced 11,500. Next comes sky blue color, single color with silver zari combination, small circular booties on the body and traditional Bavanchi borders on either sides. Priced 10,900. Next is a turning border style in silver zari in bright red. As you can see here, paisleys buttas comes on the body and turning border in unique pattern comes in the border. Priced 11,500 and it is accompanied with contrast pallu and blouse piece in golden yellow. Another red and yellow combination, this time with medium sized borders on either sides and beautiful buttas on the body. Priced 9,500. Here is the open view of the pallu and blouse piece. Next is a silver zari, 1 gram pure silver, rich pattern woven all through the body in dark green. Very fresh color, unique color with bavanchi borders on either sides. Here is the open view with copper selvage on either sides. This saree is priced 18,500. Next is dark violet with a very rich and grand silver zari woven bridal saree with the traditional motifs, annams, elephants, chakras and horse motifs comes in the border. As you can see in this picture, very big wide border comes in the bottom part. This saree is priced 16,700 and here is the blouse piece. Next we have offer sarees. Each of the sarees along with the video provided by the weaver. Silver zari tissue kanjivarams. Starting with this metallic sea blue color. Very elegant saree. Shines like a star. Priced 12,500 only and this is an offer priced. Next is same similar design pattern in gold tissue. We have silver zari weaving. Both sides pavanchi borders in the pink backdrop. Here is the video you can see and this is the blouse piece in the pink shade tissue blouse. This saree is priced 14,000 rupees. Here is the geometrical pattern woven on the tissue gold backdrop. Next comes white and pink combination. Lovely buttas on the body, tilagam motifs. Full silver tissue kanjivaram with big pink borders. This saree is priced 12,990 and is on offer. We have few more color combinations. White with yellow, white with blue, lovely colors, bridal tissue kanjivarams and they are all in offer. Grab them before they are sold out. In order to book your sarees, please send us the screenshot to our WhatsApp number 7010830303. Please send us the screenshot along with the price, which is very easy for us to book the saree and saves time in again rechecking the price of each saree. So always Million Designs for your convenience produce sarees, display all the sarees along with the price. So please make sure to remember the price and come back to us when you are inquiring on the sarees booking. We can directly check the availability at the weaver and book for you after receiving the payment. Please note, we do not have cash on delivery option because it is not provided by the weaver. Our collection is completely only directly from the weavers. We do not have any hand stock. Many are inquiring where is our shop located. We have already made a video which the link I have provided you here, that mentioning we do not have any shop. It is completely online and the sarees are dispatched directly from the weaver sources. This is the last saree in today's episode with white and sky blue combination. Rich pattern woven on the body of the saree. As you can see here, checks patterns, annams and chakras also have come. Rudraksha motifs with contrast blouse piece in sky blue tissue. This is the pallu. The saree is priced 12,990. Grab the offers before they are gone and send us the screenshot to WhatsApp number 7010830303 in order to book your favorite sarees. Signing off, Rajni. See you all in our next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.